It's a cute little onesie.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. When I tell you, it sounds like I say this every week, but I am so excited about this Amazon baby box. And to just tell you a little bit about it, you can get this by creating a registry on their website. And there are a few more things that you have to do. So you have to be a Prime member, and then you also need to complete in its entirety your registry. And each label that you have, then you click on it, there's going to be a check box. So you don't have to put like a whole bunch of things. You can just add one from each section, which is what I did. And either you or somebody who is using your registry need to spend $10 or more on a item from your registry list in order for you to qualify. And how you know that you have completed it is you will see these green check marks going down the list letting you know that it's time for you to get a box. Now, I've seen some people ask the question of like, hey, I completed my registry, but when I went to get mine, I don't know what happens. Like, what do I do next? Well, what you have to do is go ahead, get that registry. No, you're not going to pay that $35. That's how much the box is technically worth. You don't have to pay that. It's actually a credit. And by the time you're getting ready to check out, you're going to see that credit at the end. And of course, it's going to be 100% free along with free shipping. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Box is all open. So the first item that I have here, and this is from Carter's. This is a size 3 to 6 month, and it is, oh, it's a cute little onesie. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. The realization's kicking in. There's a baby coming. How cute is that? I love the little animals on there. You have the lion and the rhinoceros, and then you have the elephant. Yeah, this is a really cute one. I love it. So we got that one. Next thing we have is from Phillips Advent. This is a 4-ounce natural bottle. And I just like to go ahead and just take them all out. They have some really good bottles. I definitely recommend Advent. So there you go. The next item that I have here, oh, these are like the best pacifiers ever. I love Nook pacifiers. It's the only kind that my daughter would take when she was a baby. And so this is recommended for babies 0 to 6 months. The next item inside is some baby wipes. They are water wipes, the world's purest baby wipes. And, oh yeah, it's 99.9% water. You can feel it. You can feel it through the package. And this is 10 of them here. Awesome. This one here is from Huggies Special Delivery. And they have 3 diapers in here. And this is the size 1. So this is up to 14 pounds. It's so cute. I like the little packaging on here. So, oh, this is a big one. Oh, it says the coupon is inside this one. This is from Pampers. This is the Swaddlers. Okay, so when I open this up, things fell out. So let's see what all comes courtesy of Pampers. So the first thing here, it looks like just a, I think it's a changing pad. Yeah, it's a cute little changing pad there. And the next thing here is a little sample diaper. Here are some more wipes, and this is a 6 count. And this is some really good washing powder. This is stage 1 of the laundry detergent draft that is really good and specifically designed for little ones. So yeah, definitely going to be using that. And they have like some flyers in here if you're interested in signing up for the Pampers Club, and if you're interested in creating a registry with Pampers. And awesome, this is a book of coupons, guys. So you have some coupons there inside. They have like $1, $1.50 off, $1 off. These are great. Like $2 off of that draft that I told you about. Yeah, I love all things Pampers, so I'm excited and will definitely be cashing in on those. So let's see what else we have. So the next one that we have here is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment for babies. And this is of course used for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. And on the back here is a $2 off coupon. I think I have a couple more items and I'll be done as soon as that train stops. Okay. So the next item that I have here, this is a Muslin Swaddle from the company Amazing Baby. Yay! Let's take a look at this. Oh, this is one of the best things that you can have for your little one. This is so cute. I like how it goes with the theme of the animal print from the onesie I showed you earlier. But it has little zebras on here, and this is so cute. And you know, of course, you take these and you wrap your baby up real tight so they can still feel like they are in the womb. So I am in love with this. So of course they said all of these items are supposed to be totaling out to about $35, and I'm not exactly sure of the prices of everything. I am way out of the loop of knowing how much all this baby stuff is, but regardless, it's free and I'm excited. So as long as mom is happy, we're good. So the last item that I have here is from the Onesy company, and this is, they said it's their best diaper ever. Okay, it feels kind of heavy. I'm thinking it has to be more than one in here. Let's see. Yeah, I was right. Oh, these are so cute. They are so cute. Okay, I'm loving the little African theme. All these animals like the giraffe. And they, well, animal theme, not African, okay? Because pandas are not from Africa. But yeah, oh, these are soft. They are really soft. Am I the only person that loves the smell of like fresh diapers or just baby like items in general? Okay, just me? Cool. But, once again, more wipes. I love wipes. The more the merrier, baby. So these are some durable, gentle wipes here, and it is a 10-pack of them from the Onesy company as well. And I think that's it. I don't think there's any coupon inside of here. But awesome. I love all of these. Thank you so much to each company that has donated some of their items here so that, you know, us moms are able to decide on the best items for our babies. This is so exciting. I really enjoyed this unboxing. And of course, if you guys, like I said before, is interested in getting a baby registry, you can do all of this through Amazon.com, and I'll have the information down below in the description box as well as pinned in the comments so that you can go straight to Amazon and get started on your registry and get your Prime membership and then start getting these free items in the mail. This was so amazing, and I don't really necessarily want to call it free if you have to spend a little to get a little, but in the end I feel like I got back a lot with my sample, so I'm very appreciative of this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. I have another baby bag unboxing coming soon, and I will talk to you again next time. Bye.